Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's Jess from my magical planner, and I have my Sadie stickers December subscription. It just came today, like literally minutes ago. It's like, 5. So we're gonna see if we can get this out for 6. But I'm super excited about this one. If you haven't seen the artwork, check it out. It has daisies, my absolute favorite, and the boat scene. I mean, it really calls to me in a special way, and I'm so excited about it. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Details about this subscription will be listed down below, as well as a link to the shop. No, I don't PR for her. I just love her shop. If you haven't gotten your subscription or opened it yet, don't let me ruin your surprise if you don't want me to. So just come back later. No big deal. I wouldn't want to do that to you, but I am going to open it up in its fullness now. So I'm going to give you guys a minute to pause or whatever you need to do, and then we're going to reveal everything. All right, here we go, guys. So it is thicker this month, and I'm not sure why. I'm trying to remember if it's her 1-year anniversary or not. Maybe. So I did slit it. I didn't slit it in full because I was sitting here going, is this the subscription, or like, did I order something and forget? And so I just slit it so I could peek inside and see if the top of the kit said the subscription on it, and it did. So, oh my gosh, look at it in gold foil. I love the gold foil. And she included a pen this month. Oh, that's really pretty. So let's take a look. It reminds me of the Simply Gilded pens. So let's take a look here. Oh, definitely. These are just like the Simply Gilded ones, only they don't have a bow on the top. So I expect it'll be a gel ink pen. Let's go ahead and take this off and just see how it writes. The inner part feels a little bit different. I can grab a Simply Gilded pen here in just a second and we can compare it, but let's see. Yeah, I like the feel of these pens, and I like having the designs. I love this design in particular with the gold kind of floral on it, and then the white is kind of this white with a shimmer to it. I don't know how well that's going to come across on camera, but it's really nice. These pens are metal. They have a little bit of weight to them, which makes writing with them really nice. Plus, it's really easy to find who stole your pen if it was one of your children. I have a couple of pen thieves in my house. So anyhow, so that's our really nice pen. Let me grab a Simply Gilded one just a second for you guys. So just for comparison's sakes, this one is a Simply Gilded one. They do have the nice bow on the top, but they really are quite similar. Oh, this one I haven't opened, but the pin in the inside looks like it's pretty much the same. But there you go. Okay, let's get into this kit. I swear her subscription is just getting better and better. Oh, the daisies. I love the daisies. They are my favorite flower, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this around. If you're unfamiliar with the format of her subscription, usually what you get is a deluxe kit. It's 4 pages. Then you get journaling pages, and you get floral pages and floral trims. And now she added on like foil pages, and so it just seems to keep expanding, which is kind of amazing. All right, let's take a look at this one in detail. So this is kind of the boat that we saw in that initial artwork. I think that's really amazing. I love the watercolor aspects of it and everything. We have this beautiful cake. I actually might use this for my birthday because I love it so much. And my birthday's in April, and it feels like it would go. And then we have daisies on this one. This would be a great box to put like a quote or something, or overlay, another box on if you have a lot of things going on. This one's also really beautiful. This box says, "What good are wings without the courage to fly?" Love, love that so much. And then we have a telephone here, and I love it's like an old-timey telephone. We have the pearls here. Okay, so jewelry-wise, pearls are my favorite. I mean, I like other things too, but I kind of like simple stuff. And then we have a mirror here with a vintage kind of perfume bottle, some hairpins, that kind of thing. And we have some more florals through here. And then we have this kind of picnic on the dock scene, which I think looks amazing. And then we have some swatches down here with just a hint of that gold foil. Next, we have our boxes page. I love this page so much. I love that we have such variety in the boxes, from no foil kind of swatch boxes to ornate patterns with a touch of foil to not, and you can layer these really nicely together or use them separately, whatever you prefer. We have squares, we have swatches here, we have midi boxes, half boxes, third boxes, and fourth boxes. So it works really, really well. And you usually have, like, I've used one of these kits to do, actually, I'll show you guys. Hold on. Because I think I have all the planners right here. And I haven't put this plan with me out, and I don't know if it's going to come out, but hold please. Let me find the right page. Oh, is it in the new planner? It might be in the new planner. Okay, hold on. Yes, I've started using my new planner. But her September subscription, I used on this week to do this 2-page spread. And pretty much everything here is from her subscription, which turned out so, so pretty. But I had so much left over that I went ahead and did my weekly setup here. Yes, this week didn't go as planned. What's new? So I did a very simple layout here. And then I had enough left over after that. I ended up getting sick, I think this week. So I went to the back and I did all of my daily pages for the whole week. And I still had a few things left over at the very end. So it was extremely, like, you get a lot in this kit, I guess is what I'm saying. So, okay, there are all the full boxes. So then we have our functional page. So we have scallop headers, we have the floral headers, and these simple dot headers, which I really like. No, I don't use a whole lot of headers, but the kits that I end up using them in tend to be hers for some reason, and they just work really well. And then we have a kind of empty box here that you can interchange if you have a busy week or put in your sidebar, whatever you need. And then you have a Monday through Sunday here. You have a few more swatches, these circular boxes, well, oval, that she's added on. We have paper here. We have habit trackers and checklist. Oh my goodness, look at that bottom washi. It's so, so pretty. And it has just that simple foiling done to it, so it's so pretty. So you get the bigger washi and then 2 strips of the smaller washi as well. You get this lace pattern. This is split down the middle here. So you're getting 2 of these kind of lace elements, which I think these are really fun too. And then you get these thinner headers in here, which are really nice as well. You have your Monday through Sunday and some deco down here. Love that we got the boat. This is also really pretty, but the boat is probably my favorite. This is our floral deco sheet. So you have lots of different patterns and arrangements. Plus you have these single elements that you can kind of layer in to extend things and that kind of thing. This is her journaling page. So we have, oh, look at the stamp. I love the stamps. They're so cute. And we have some torn paper here. We have like a washi strip here. I love the simplicity of the torn page elements. This checklist is awesome. I love that design. And then we have a Polaroid with a flower on it there. I just love how much functionality is in this. And then we get a large deco sheet, which has these huge florals that look amazing. You could totally use this to do like a monthly spread as well as a weekly spread or something like that. And oh, I love this. I love the Polaroid so much, and these huge florals are amazing. I usually don't get additional florals, but this might be one of the cases where I would, because you can go to her shop and add those on. Then you get this page, which has her trims on it, which love these a lot too, and the headers as well. This is our add-on foil sampler. So it says it's the dot sampler, which is really useful. It's very versatile. You can use it with lots of kits. You can choose to use it with this one or a different one. I love that about these. So we have six full length strips, and then we have some header type ones. We have the dangles, which you can combine with other things to make, a more complete look. And then we have the dots and the single, double. You have 3 dots, 4 dots, and I'm not sure how many are in here. Looks like maybe 7. Yeah, I think that's 7, which is kind of nice to have the variety. So that's everything in this month's subscription, and let me know if you guys have any questions about anything. Like I said, I'm not on her PR team or anything. I just really enjoy her shop. So that's all I have for you guys today, and until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.